Hi, and welcome to this 5-minute lift in our spirits. Please find a seat, close the eyes, and note what it is you're feeling right now. Just name that mood. Then notice how your body is reflecting that mood. Touch your hands to your shoulders. Lift your shoulders up and draw them way, way back. Settle them back down into their sockets, and now open your arms out wide. Take an inhale across the heart, and then exhale, soften the lung space, but the arms stay expanding. Do that again. Take an inhale, widen the heart, even lift it higher. And then exhale, soften the chest. Arms stay out wide. Last time now. Inhale, lift your heart so high. Open the arms as wide as they'll get. And then exhale, cross your arms. Give yourself a big hug. Crawl the fingers onto your shoulder blades. Bow your chin. And then sway the body downward a little bit. Let the head get heavy. It's like a symbolic embrace. Indulging that sorry mood. Those times can be necessary in order to shift into something new. Let's hang the head heavy and sway left and right. Like you're rocking yourself, keep rocking. And sway over to the right fingers to the ground. Left arm will reach across your jawline. Take a breath to the left ribs. And then exhale, roll the hands down. Keep the head heavy as you walk your hands way over to the left. Left hand stays, right arm reaches across the jaw now. Breathe to the right ribs, expanding lung space. Exhale, roll to the ground, head as heavy as you walk, fingers back to the center, and then roll on up to sit. We'll climb onto our knees, sit on the heels and tuck the toes underneath. Interlace the hands behind your head, open your elbows, and lean back into your own hand hammock. On an exhale, pull the chin towards your chest. Breathe to the back of the neck. Again, inhale, lean back, open the elbows, breathe to the heart. And then exhale, pull the chin toward the chest, breathe to back body. Last time, lift your heart, lean way back, send breath to the belly. And now as you roll down, roll all the way down. Get really empty. You might even lift your seat off your heels. Sit back down on the seat. Find neutral spine. Let the hands release. Send hands to the ground for all fours. Keeping the right hand here, reach your left arm to the sky. Breathe across the heart. Exhale, hands to the ground, navel to spine in cat. Finding neutral, the right arm reaches up. Exhale, hand down, navel lifts to spine. Neutral again. Let's sit back on the heels. Find some wall anywhere you can. You could even stand up for this. Take one hand to the wall, open the other arm into the room. Make any movement left and right, and anything that comes naturally to awaken your body, to flood it with prana. And then the other side. Open out big. Any natural movement. And then back to face each other. Hands to the heart. May you have a beautiful day. Say hi in the comments. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Thanks for being here. Namaste.